Dr. Franca, and you're welcome to Dr. Franca Show. Today's edition, I'm going to talk about an interesting topic, which is when a woman earns more than her husband. So many women earn more than their husband, a lot more earn less than their husband. There shouldn't be any problem there. But in some cases, when the woman earns more, it becomes an issue, it brings stress in that relationship for some reasons, but it does happen. Now, recent research has shown that 1/3 of women now earn more than their husbands in marriages or relationships. It was inevitable, really, with a lot more women going to the universities, a lot more women having jobs that were previously reserved for men. A lot more women are having children and putting the children in daycare and going back to their jobs. So the resultant effect is that today, a lot more women have higher income, so much so that so many of them now out-earn their husbands. So today I'm going to show you that because you're earning more than your husband doesn't mean it should bring you stress in your home. It should actually bring you happiness. It should make you feel special. I'm talking to the man and the woman here now. When a woman earns more than the husband, what you do as a family is you talk together, you communicate, and talk about who to make certain decisions in the home. The problem that most people have that bring them stress is this. They still cling on to those traditional roles that we're told that should happen. For example, the woman must stay at home and look after children, or the man must be the breadwinner. Things are changing fast. And this is the 21st century, and everybody has to come into it. These days, most of the jobs are not with strength or hard work. That's why so many women are in the workforce, and so many men have to understand this fact. And when it happens to you, you have to think back and realize what is the benefit of this to my home, not about egos now, so that you can benefit from it. And for the women, when you find yourself that you are earning more than your husband, I want to tell you this. Once you leave that job, you close for the day, you leave that office, you leave that job there. So you don't bring it home. Once you come home, you assume your role as a wife and a mother. Because at the end of it, it's just a job. It doesn't mean you're working harder than your husband. That's why you're earning more than your husband. It means that society has decided to pay you more at that point. And it's just money you're earning, just money. Even though the money will bring you a lot of satisfaction, but you still have a home, still have a relationship to keep. And when you look at it this way, you have a balanced life. So that you keep your job in the job, and you have your home to run. And with this, find out you have a stress-free marriage, have a stress-free relationship. Do not talk a lot of money issues, do not talk about money all the time, or start comparing that you are earning more than your husband, start laughing at the man. No, it doesn't mean that the man is not working hard. After all, so many people don't even have income. So you have to feel happy and don't let higher income bring you stress in your home. Hope I've been able to help you. Thank you till next time.